Hey everyone, so we just purchased infrared lamp to, I know this is a little crazy, but this is for the IBX treatments. So I decided to purchase the big lamp because I don't have a lot of room on the desk. So I want this to stand next to the desk. So check it out, I'm gonna put it together. It's big. It's really big. I'll try not to break it. Wow. Do you think I'll be able to put it together, mister?
Yep.
Ooh, this is heavy. Okay, so this is good. So it's not like a plastic wobbly material. Okay, this is going to be fun. All right, let's. That's big, eh? Is it bigger bulb than the other one?
About the same.
Okay, so once we are, okay, this is nice. Once we're done with the lamp, we're gonna do a video of IBX treatment. Okay. This looks like it's pretty well made, no?
Initial impression would be yes.
Would be yes. Okay, so what do I do now?
Read the instructions.
I don't have glasses.
That sounds like a you problem.
Uh-huh. Okay, let me get my glasses. No, I don't think. Oh, okay, hold on. I think it's like this. Is it? Oh, okay. So this is where the screw goes. Yes, like this. Yeah. No. No. This is going to go on the bottom, like that. This is super heavy. Ooh. Right? Like this. Right? And then that's where the legs go?
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe let's put the legs first, no?
No.
No?
Last.
Okay.
Because you want to be able to flip that over and...
Okay, so now...
You know, you might want to hold that
It's not
screw.
rolling. Yeah. Okay.
Or hold the bolt, sorry.
Okay, it's moving.
Then hold it in place.
Okay. It's moving. I can't hold it. Okay, this is the first piece of equipment that I'm attempting to, so don't laugh guys, that I'm attempting to put together. It's not working.
All by yourself.
All by myself. This is moving.
You have to hold it in place. You can do it.
Christ. Okay, I'm already tired. Hold on.
The scarf comes off.
Can I have like some kind of a tool?
Maybe. So you're doing fine.
Okay. Ow, ow, ow. Look at my fingers.
I'm going to receive so much hate for this.
Why?
Because I'm the one filming and not building.
Yeah, exactly. No. I said that I'm gonna do it.
So
Okay,
you're
so
gonna
I'm
do
just going to kind of leave it a little loose. Is that okay?
it. No, don't leave it loose. That's
Okay, well
just
then
not
you
a good
have
idea.
to, you have to help me. Because I just cannot. Okay, can you just hold this thing in place? See what I mean? This is hard.
So you know what?
Yeah,
Okay,
what do
hold
you
on.
do? Uh-huh. See, this is a biatch,
No, it just needs tools.
which we don't have. Oh, okay, this worked. Okay, so as you can see, guys, I did it.
Yes, it was all you.
That was all me.
Yeah, it was all you.
Okay.
Anyways. Yeah, it's fine.
Next. Okay, I'm doing it. Hold on. Okay, so this is easy.
Push it in.
Okay. Okay, let's move this onto the floor. So I don't scratch this beautiful scratch. This beautiful table.
Beautiful. You scratched the beautiful scratch, huh?
Yeah.
Push. Should click.
Jesus. Frig. Didn't go in. I'm gonna like turn it around. This is how I'm gonna do it. Right? Huh? Working smarter, not harder.
I didn't hear that one click.
I think I clicked that before. This is gonna be called Anna Builds Things. Yes? Okay.
Well, I think it's more like Anna attempts to build things.
Yeah. Okay.
That Mr. Salon Life has to go behind and
Supervise.
fix.
Okay. I need scissors. 1 second.
Spring loaded.
Uh-huh. So this was pretty easy. Oh. Okay. Like this?
Yep. Insert.
Oh, there was like a piece of paper here. Okay, this is kind of weird. Is this
What?
supposed to
Yeah.
be movable like that?
Yep.
Okay, so where's this? How am I supposed to take this out? Oh,
Like that. Also, I'm sure that this, if you squeeze it, they'll actually come out. Because you have to be able to replace the bulb.
yeah.
And you want to make sure that the bulb is, in fact, tightened before you turn it on.
Okay.
Did you check to see if it's tightened?
I can't through here. Let's see.
Then
Do we take it off? Okay, I'll film it and you'll show me. Uh-huh.
just want to make sure that's
Okay.
snug. Okay?
Okay, so now I'm supervising. You're doing a good job.
Why, thank you.
Yes. Very good. Uh-huh. Wow. Okay, okay. So let me finish building it. Okay, so this
Remember, it's all you.
it's all me. Okay. So now we can bring it
Boston Tech.
to the table. Right?
Sure.
This is big. Long.
Well, how about
Uh-huh.
you plug it in
Here.
over there.
Uh-huh.
Yes. Plug it in. Well, pull it.
This could be a little bit longer, I must say. Is it gonna work?
Turn it on. See what happens.
Doesn't.
How about you turn that on? Yeah, let's try that out.
Oh.
And you can actually change the
Oh.
intensity of the light.
Ooh, guys, this is warm.
So how about we see if this will adjust? Shall we?
Uh-huh.
It seems to be working.
Yes.
And it's hot as heckins.
It's nice. Okay, so we're gonna move it to the
There you go.
manicure table, and we're going to film the IBX treatment. Okay, so the lamp is right here. Sitting next to the desk. The arm is long enough to kind of drape over the desk, and I can move, so I'm gonna turn the other light on so you can see a little bit better. So I can move the lamp higher as I'm working, doing the actual treatment, and then just move it lower, so it warms up the nails a little bit better, right? But we can work with the heat at all times, especially in the winter when people's hands are colder, right? This is really, really good, I think. So we're gonna do a IBX treatment now. We're gonna attempt to film this next to the lamp. Should be fine. Yeah, very, very good. I'm so excited to do this treatment. Okay, we'll see you guys soon, and watch the next video of the IBX treatment. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Ciao.